So good afternoon, kid. Today we will discuss about place value. But first, let us know what is a digit. Digit are numbers from 0 to 9. Can you give example of a digit from 0 to 9?
1.
1.
1.
Yeah, 1 is an example of a digit. So, any number siya na nagre-ranges from 0 to 9. Digit are also called as numbers. So, for example, 458, how many digit do you think 458 have?
4, 5,
1,
1, 2, 3.
there are 3 digits. Another example, 1048. How many digit does 1048 have?
4.
4. There are 4 digits. So, numbers can be made of 1 digit, 2 digits, or many digits. So, each digit in a number has something called a place value. So, what is place value? Place value tells how much digit in a number represents. How much digit? How much digit in a number represents. They will give out an example, tapos ilalagay mo kung alin doon yung ones, yung tens, yung hundreds, saka yung thousands, okay? Halimbawa, etong 2,428. Alin sa tingin mo dyan yung ones? Alin sa tingin mo dyan?
8.
8. Lagay mo yung 8.
I need to put this.
So, saan mo lalagay? Dito mo lalagay sa ones.
Here?
Yan. Lagay mo dyan sa taas. Yan. 8. Tapos, etong 2, ano sa tingin mo ang place value ng 2?
Thousands.
Thousands? Hindi. Tens siya. Tens. Kasi, magsisimula tayo palagi sa right side. Kung ano kasi yung nasa pinakahulihan ng isang whole number, ayun yung palagi yung 1. Ano yung pinakahulihan nga? Yung 8. Ano to? Anong place value niyan? Tens. Saan malalagay siya? Yan. Pwede mo rin lakihan para makita.
Okay.
Sige, lakihan mo na lang. Yan, 2. So, eto namang 4. Ano sa tingin mo ang place value niya?
Hundreds.
100. Saan mo siya lalagay?
Here.
Lagay mo siya. Very good. Eto naman, ano to? Anong place value niya?
Thousands.
Very good.
Ate X.
Yan. 2,428. Pwede mo rin siyang isulat sa ganitong form. 2,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 8. Or, in short, 2,428. So, palagi natin tatandaan, ang final digit ng any whole number should be in the ones column. Then, all the other numbers will automatically fall into their correct columns. So, ayan.